All right, day number 23 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, and this is from 2022. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in learning more. Okay, this is an interesting one. We'll figure out what we've got here. Some of these definitely make sense. Other ones, I don't know. We'll figure this thing out together. All right, moving along. Okay, so this is definitely the top of this guy. So, wish this was a little easier to see here. Okay. All right, so we have this black one here. Looks like we have a black and then a red. Okay, this has the white, and then it looks like these two here. It's gonna be out the front. I've got this. And then this. And it looks like this. Obviously, I'm going to have to fill in with some more pieces here, but we'll figure that out. Maybe like this. And then looks like this. Yeah. Okay. All right, so it looks like this. And probably this on both sides. And then this, and then this, and then this goes back on top like that. Figuring this thing out. All right, and we've got this, and then this, and then this, and then this. Maybe. I've got this, and then this. I'm very confused. Looks like there's maybe two of these. And then this. And then this. I mean, is this like a gonk droid, maybe? I'm guessing. What are your thoughts? I'm thinking that's a gonk droid. Yeah. All right, we'll go ahead and move on. And we'll be back tomorrow with day number 24, which is the last of the Advent calendars here.